Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 2H Combo. If you're new to this channel, it is all about me working around the house, my travels, and a few investments that I do on the side. Please subscribe, like, or dislike. Today I'm gonna share with you how I'm gonna reseal my driveway. All materials are coming from Home Depot. It's not going to be that expensive. It just requires some time to work out all the details. So let's take a look. I don't know if you can see, but I already feel the cracks with the crack filler. Really liquidy. It's a liquid substance from Home Depot, and also I use a paste kind that is also from Home Depot, and then I fill that area with a patch gravel with asphalt, something like that, tar maybe. So you can see I'm not gonna coat it all the way to the street. It's only up to where the tires are, the tires of the car. So we'll see. Some of the cracks I fill with liquid filler, but it sunk, so it's not really good. But I'm running out of the paste, so I just leave it like that. Some are not that bad. Hopefully when I seal the driveway, it'll cover it. But if it is really deep, it probably won't do it, but we'll find out. Like this one, it's a little deep here, like here too. This is the product I used. It's called Latexite Driveway Coating Rubberized Sand Mixed. It's available at Home Depot. You go over there, you don't see it, but if you ordered it, they'll find it for you. It's about $18 something, so $20 a bucket. It's not 5 gallons, but whatever it is, 4.75. First we brushed the edges with a hand broom. Basically you can get it from Harbor Freight for about $2, and after that you can just throw it away. This thing is very liquidy. I guess that way it's easy to apply. It's supposed to have some sand in it, but I couldn't really tell exactly. After about 3 hours, it's all completed. The surface is not really even, part of it because it was not patched evenly. So the lesson is to make sure you patch all the cracks, and once you put the coating done, then it looks nice. Otherwise you're gonna see some cracks. This area is still wet. The last section I put it down, so we'll have to see when it's dry. but it looks good so far.